Hey guys, so in Michael's I can get these ornaments. I think I'm gonna get these here. I'm wondering if I should get something sparkly like this. So I'm getting ready to make some food. Green orange chicken. Choose this here. And I'm just gonna make it with some Japanese style fried rice that I got from Trader Joe's. He's playing the video game, of course. So that's what you hear in the background. So right now I'm just getting ready for the day. A few errands to run. Oh, I need to get my contacts in because I cannot see from this far away. So I want to go get the Born to Run palette because I've been hearing really great things about it. So I really want to go get that. Raining nonstop pretty much for the past 2 days. So I've noticed that it's also raining in California right now. So I wonder if it's going to be raining when I get there. I kind of hope it's not. In my Tarte Shape Tape today. And then this is just a Real Techniques brush because I had to do my makeup pretty much in the car yesterday. On the go the whole day. My sponge is in my purse, my makeup bag, banana powder here. I guess I'll use this. The only thing about this is I need a new one. I might get a new one today at Ulta because this one's super yellow. You guys can see that. It's like really, it's a lot more yellow than what I would want it to be. Contour shade. Use my Milani Pure Passions palette for my eyes today. So change your plans. This thing is super bright. I'm waiting on my Impressions vanity mirror to ship. So until then, but change of plans. I am going to ride with Windsor now. He is gonna just take me by Ulta because we're probably not gonna come back to the house. I'm gonna just use my Voluminous False Fiber Lashes mascara. I've just been using my Mega Glow bar by Wet n Wild. I have an updated foundation routine. That's not lip liner. We're at UPS right now. Windsor had to ship off something. I'm starving. We were supposed to go to Starbucks, but the line is like wrapped around the building. So I don't know what we're gonna do about Starbucks now because I'm super starving and I need some caffeine. I brought my laptop with me so I can try to edit the vlogs. I was done editing the vlog yesterday, but it was taking forever to render and I had to leave, and then I didn't get a chance to finish like rendering it. So hopefully I can just do that today and then get those vlogs up. I'm a little bit behind, but I'm still vlogging for you guys. I'm just not able to edit. I was able to get up my Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation review and demo, so I'll leave that in the cards up above, so make sure you go check out that video. And we're also gonna stop by Ulta, so that's why I'm riding along with him. Oh no, dang it, we forgot the bag of games. I don't know, do you guys do game nights with your friends or family? When I grew up, we used to do game nights all the time. Like Saturday night in my household was game night. It was Saturday night game night, but we played board games. So we played Live, Monopoly, poker. Like we would do really fun stuff like that. So Saturday nights were really, really fun. Sorry was another game that we used to play all the time. Game nights were really fun. I would always lose, but they were really fun.
Now I need you to go back.
Jay is returning some earrings. Wow.
All that smell.
The fragrances?
Yeah.
So today I have the children's Christmas party, and what that is at my job, and it's pretty much where all the children 12 and under, like any of our employees' kids 12 and under, get a chance to come take a picture with Santa, and then the company gives them at least one gift. So what I'm getting ready to do is bake a whole bunch of cookies, because I usually always volunteer to help out with the Christmas party. So I have like 6 packs of 24 cookies, like the pull apart cookies, to bake in the next 3.5 hours. Getting ready to go ahead and make this. I feel like I'm super close to the screen today. This trek to the office for the kids' Christmas party. Oh shoot. My tire only has 30 PSI in it. I did not vlog any of the game night last night, but it was really fun. Chance to just talk with friends, and that's always really fun. We're gonna be doing New Year's Eve at our house again this year. We kind of did like a game night New Year's Eve thing, because none of us really do anything for New Year's Eve. Me and Winter used to always try to do something on New Year's Eve. Like we would go, we've been to the Atlanta Peach Drop. We did that one year. Never again. We're not big like party people or anything like that, so it's just easier for us to just have people over at the house and get some food catered, and then, you know, we do what it do. Putting some air in my tires. This is the brand of carry-on that I was telling you guys about on Amazon. 30 bucks, I think. I'm gonna show you guys here in a minute. So this is just what it looks like. It's just a really simple carry-on luggage. Little laptop bag piece of it is probably on the inside. And it was. So this is just what it looks like. It's just a very small little bag. I think of it as like a laptop bag, but I guess it's really not a laptop bag. It's more so of like toiletries, like a little handbag if you really needed to carry on some stuff. He's just sniffing. He's trying to see which toys he like. Come on, buddy. Look, Kiba. Look. We're gonna get you a new collar. Love the sleeves on this. Too cute. It's a little too low cut though. But they are having a really, really good sale, guys. $12.99. today it's super duper rainy outside, and therefore it's like really dark. It looks like it's probably 5-6 o'clock in the evening, but it's not. It's actually 7:52 in the morning. So I'm actually on the way to work, but it's just raining so much. Cream donut, yes. So right now it is 6:03, I think is what the time says. I'm super oily, sorry about that. I do want to show you guys what I got from Ulta and Sephora recently, because I have never shown you guys, and it was sitting right here bright in our faces. I'm sitting with my back to the light, so that doesn't help at all. I went to Ulta and picked up the Born to Run palette, and I did get it. They were almost like, I don't know if they were thinking they were sold out. They had like some extra Christmas help, and they were pretty much saying that they didn't have the palette. I don't know, but I did end up getting it, and this is just what it looks like, and I'm so excited to use it. For some reason, it really reminds me of the original Lorac Pro palette. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the shades. I just also picked up some Morphe brushes because I saw that they started selling the brushes in store at my Ulta location. And I think that was all I got. Yeah, that was all I got. So I got this brush here. It's just like a flat brush. This is the Bullet Crease brush. So I don't know how much you all can see that without the glare. I'm not going to take it out right now because I haven't washed my hands yet. And then this is just a tapered blending brush, because I feel like you can never have enough crease or blending brushes. So that's why I got these two. And then I went to Sephora because I needed some more Laura Mercier powder. And while I was there, I picked up the medium deep powder. And I got the travel size. I like to get the travel size just in case I don't like it. And, you know, it is quite expensive for the big size. And this actually lasts for a long time. So, yeah, I got the travel size in this. And then I also picked up, while I was standing there to check out, I picked up this Beauty Blender, the Liquid Blender Cleanser. Is it that what it's called? Yeah, the Liquid Blender Cleanser. And I picked this up because I always have a hard time cleaning my makeup sponges, whether it be the Real Techniques or the Beauty Blender. I always have a hard time cleaning them. So I was going to see if this like pulls out the makeup a lot quicker.